Hey there, beauty lovers. So, today I wanted to share with you this product that has been a popular choice in the beauty industry if you're looking to enhance your curls. So, I wanted to give you the pros and cons and see if it really lives up to the hype. So, come with me as I share my thoughts. Let's get started. So today I'm going to be going for a natural look. So I'll be wetting my hair, making sure it's completely saturated with water and then detangling it. And this is how I normally like to apply my gel on wet hair. Then I go and I part my hair into three sections. And once I'm done parting the front two into sections, large sections, I take the back and I start taking that into smaller sections and curling it with my demi brush. I feel like this is the best way to get a more frizz and defined curls. So there it is, the Oplex number 10 Curl Defining Gel. So let's get started with the pros and cons, shall we? First con, I believe, is pretty thick. So you want very little bit of this product, especially if you have fine to thin hair, I would say. This would be a con for those. So make sure you take very little, work on each section, and that way you'll get more defined and frizz-free control curls. All right, so I have to be honest here. Another con for me would be that this gel can be expensive, especially if you're using it regularly every day. So that would be a con for me because it's about $30 in Sephora. And so that can, like I said before, can become pricey. Another con for me is that it does it does feel sticky like on your hands, and so you have to move quickly because it's quite drying. Okay, so once I am done styling my hair, I like to air dry my hair first for about an hour, and then I'll just to make sure the hair is completely dry, I will take the blow dryer to my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I will go in with a pick to pick it out and make it fluffy and voluminous and to kind of break that cast. So this is what I'm left with after I'm done picking my hair, and now I can leave it like this. It looks gorgeous. You can see that the curls do look defined and smooth. I'm left with bouncy curls and they don't feel crunchy or hard. So I really do enjoy this hair. I really like this gel and the way it makes my hair look so curly. But I do take it an extra step just to give my hair a little bit more length. I just go in at the roots with a flat iron just to give my hair just a little bit more length. That's basically it. That's all I'm doing here. But I do enjoy this gel. I think it's very nourishing. It does make my hair look shiny and smooth. So thank you for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next week, take care of your beautiful locks.